Hey everyone, I'm Chris Merkel from Exodus. We're going to take a look at making purchases online using Bitcoin with your Exodus wallet. I'm in the market for a new GPU, so I'm on newegg.com. I'm going to walk you through the checkout process and at the end, pay with Bitcoin directly from Exodus. The Exodus desktop wallet is a Bitpay payment protocol compatible wallet. What this means is you can avoid common payment mistakes and benefit from increased security when paying a Bitpay merchant with the convenience of using your Exodus wallet, where your BTC or BCH is already held. A Bitpay merchant is someone who accepts Bitcoin as a payment method and can generate a Bitpay invoice online that you can pay instantly and securely from your Exodus wallet. When you're on a Bitpay merchant's website, choose the option to pay with Bitcoin. Select Bitcoin as the currency, and then click on the Copy Payment URL. Once your payment URL is copied, you can paste it in the Send to Bitcoin address field in your Exodus wallet. Click Send, and your payment is on the way to the merchant. In your browser, you should see the confirmation that the payment has been accepted. It's that easy. If this video was valuable to you, please like and subscribe for more Exodus tips and tutorials.